Okay, so today with abs script we are going to explore the power of the if conditional. The if conditional, it's to do something based on a condition. So we had learned how to select a range from our sheet, to select one cell as a range, the complete sheet as a range, or one column or one row or whatever, and all this in the previous videos, and how to master the selections. And then we had learned how to set some values for these selections, or to change its characteristic, width, height, or whatever. Now we are going to set these conditions based on make these changes based on a condition. How to make this in abs script? If you remember in our previous video, you'll find the link at the top here, that we were doing this from the conditional formatting of the which is available here. That's format, conditional formatting. Okay, and then that's H5 because I'm standing as H5. You can select. We can select any cell. For example, I will select this cell, for example. Okay, and then the formula. You have a lot of formulas here. For example, I will select, because that's numerical value, I will select greater than, and then formatting values or formula greater than, for example, 102. If this value is greater than 102, and here I will change the color to red, for example. Okay, so when because it is 105, it will be red. So that's one of the conditional formatting or styles of the conditional formatting, that based on a value you change it. So we can do it here, or we can do it on a range. So even on a range, if I had changed my range here and I had select a range, okay, and I select this complete range, F to F, that's very important. Notice here, you can see here, F to F means that you select the complete column and it applies the range. You can see all the cells which are greater than 102, it's coming red. Maybe that's, you need some visual indication. That's the help of visualization and digitization, that you have some visual indication that this limit is above. So can we do this using the abs script? Okay, so let me close the conditional formatting and Control Z, so I don't have any conditional formatting here. And let's go to our abs script and add this function. As usual, we can build on this select for. We have selected already our active sheet, selecting our active sheet, and then we are going to set a range. So value range. Okay, so this range that I'm going to select is coming from my sheet dot get range. Okay, open. I will use the A1 notation as you had seen in our previous videos. So simply I will use the same which we had built together. So I will use F to F. Then I'm selecting the complete columns. Okay, and then after I've got the range, so I'm going to range dot. We can apply background color, for example. So set background. Okay, for example, I'll start by setting the complete background for you to see how we can make this. I need the color as a string, so we can make red, we can make it blue, مثلا light blue, okay, if this light blue is available. Okay, and then I need to save, select my function from here, which is select for, and then I will run it. If we turn back, we can see that the complete column is in blue now. Okay, so Control Z, that's something that I don't want. Simply Control Z, I return back, and let's make it on condition here now. So now to make it in condition, I need to put some if condition. So if is the if condition, so if, and then you need to put some condition inside. So you need to get a value and put the condition on it. So I need also to go to my sheet, and then I need to select, but here for the selection it is specific because it's making the comparison, so you need to be specific. So either you are comparing to one value, or you need to make looping to compare to several values, and looping, that we will see in the coming video, but today we are going to check only one value. So I'm going to my sheet, and then I'm going to get range. Okay, and then for the getting range, I'll use also the I will try also with the F. It was, I think, 15 we had tried with, and then I will get the value. That get value. Okay, now I have in my hand the value. It will return me the value. So if the value is greater than 102, which is the same condition we had applied, so it's going to range dot, which is I need to set the range now. Instead of outside here, I need to make it only F15. Okay, and then the range now is only F15, so range to set background, and I'll make it orange, or as you like, we can make it red. Okay, and then I save and then run. Okay, executed. If you go back to our sheet, okay, it was this one, and it changed it to red. Okay, now we can see that we can change the colors either from there, from the conditional formatting, or directly from inside, from the apps script bit. In the coming video, we'll see how to loop through the values so we can change all the values. And in the coming videos, we are going also to see more and more from AppScript. Join the channel, spread the information, like the videos, send us your questions or anything you like. You will find we answer with practical solutions to your problems on either on our YouTube channel in the comments. You can take our training if you need some more in-depth about sheets. You'll find all the links in the description box, or you can ask some services on Fiverr. We are active on Fiverr and producing some business professional solutions. See you in coming videos with more insights from Google Sheets, apps, forms.